The Air Jordan 4 RM continues to make waves following its Nigel Sylvester launch. Known for reimagining classic Jordan looks, this model also loves pastel colorways, and the Spring 2026 lineup is no exception. The latest Easter edition starts with a sleek black leather and synthetic base, then bursts into soft, celebratory tones featuring Anthracite, Iced Carmine, Barely Green, Jade Aura, and Iced Jade. It's a fresh twist on the AJ4 silhouette, perfect for those who appreciate subtle yet vibrant designs. This release shows that Jordan brand is committed to its takedown models, joining the likes of the Jordan MVP 92 and the Air Jordan 3 RM. While the name suggests a March or April drop, the Air Jordan 4 RM Easter is expected to hit stores in the coming months. Fans can look forward to grabbing a pair at a retail price of $155. Whether you're a collector or a sneakerhead, this pastel-forward AJ4 RM is a must-watch release.